Okay, I want to show you a little bit about air conditioners. Now, if you're a do-it-yourselfer and your air conditioner, if you come up on it and the fan blade and the compressor don't start, both of them, but they're humming and it sounds like they want to start, and if you take a look at your capacitor, it's all bulged out, that's your problem. You need to buy a new capacitor and put it in. So, if your problems are your compressor and your fan are not running, and they hum like they want to start, you're usually going to have a bad capacitor. So, just a little do-it-yourself diagnosis for your air conditioning condenser. Okay, a new capacitor, and we're back up and running.